I'm pretty excited about this particular project. Today we're going to get into the Ecoboost Mustang upgrades. This of course is a 4-cylinder turbo Mustang, 2.3 liter from the 2015 to current. This particular build we're going to go in and do all the major upgrades that are bolt-on to make this car get into the 500 horsepower range. Stock they come making a little under 300 wheel realistically. So we're going to go through, do the turbo upgrade, the downpipe, new intercooler, which we're using the best intercooler. I did a charge pipe set for it, which that'll get added to the store, and we'll also do our new 50mm blow-off valve. The car already had an air raid intake on it, so that'll go back on with a new filter, and we'll also do a catch can setup. We got one of those in from Mishimoto specific to the car. So I'll go ahead and skip this. We got the car torn down, and I'll start to show you the parts and compare the old to the new. First and foremost, we've got the turbo upgrade, most important. Going from the stock turbo to the new precision or turbonetics upgrade for it, which is a direct bolt-in swap. You can see these two come with the exact same configuration. The precision unit will come with all the accessory gaskets, studs, bolts in to the same water and oil lines. The new turbo is ball bearing with the billet 52mm compressor wheel, 52mm turbine wheel. You can see the bigger AR on the turbine housing to allow it to flow better. You can see the divided housing, or twin scroll rather. All a very good fit and finish on the piece. We'll also be doing the wastegate change on the new turbo. The Turbonetics precision unit comes with that 20 psi, not spring, gate, which is about what the factory one is, but we're going such a bigger and more efficient turbo, we're going to put a 14 psi gate on it and let it ride with that to see how it does in the tune in the dyno session. Try to get a look inside. You can see the F1 style turbine wheel. Bigger, more efficient than the smaller one. But you can see again from this angle, they got every bolt hole is back on the new unit for it to be a direct swap in. The heat shield will bolt back on, and it should all go back together fairly well. Next up in upgrades, the intercooler. Maximize flow and cooling ability without being a restriction. We're going from the factory forward intercooler with the plastic tanks to what in my opinion is going to be the best option, which we also carry these, is the Garrett bolt-in upgrade. This intercooler, like the turbo, is designed to be a direct bolt-in upgrade. It's reusing all the stock bolt holes, sensor ports, everything. And you can see the size and the core difference is massive. Twice the thickness and much more efficient design. Like I said, I use a lot of these Garrett cores for custom pieces. And this is a great bolt-in factory upgrade. Now you've got the turbo, you've got the intercooler. The next on the list of must-have upgrades is the charge pipe set. And I've put together this set. I had it coated by our guy Tracy over at Warriors in a textured black. We're going to the 50mm blow-off valve to get rid of the plastic diverter valve and plastic smaller diameter charge pipes that came on it from the factory. All of this is being added to the Ecoboost specific section on the online store. And last but not least, we're going to also install the catted Mishimoto downpipe. This, I mean, is an obvious upgrade over factory. You want turbos to be able to breathe exhaust wise. Going to the bigger downpipe, higher flowing cat is definitely going to answer to help wake up the turbo. It's going to sound a lot better, spool up quicker. I mean, there is no con to doing an upgrade on the downpipe on a turbo car.
Ovation.